Shiny. Welcome back to another video. This time I am going to discuss about the butterflies of Kerala. So if you are someone interested in butterflies, then this video is for you. Friends, check out my new videos, and if you are new here, please take till the end and please like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends. So in this video we will learn about common butterflies of Kerala, scientific names of butterflies and butterfly name in Malayalam. So let's begin. India is blessed with rich diversity in the species of butterflies. Kerala in South India is a wonderful habitat for butterflies. There are about 332 species of butterflies in Kerala. The butterflies seen in Kerala vary greatly in color, habits and size. Butterflies are flying insects from the order Lepidoptera. There are many kinds of butterflies. Every butterfly has a main body, 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 antennas. Butterflies have their wings covered with tiny scales. These scales contain pigment, which in combination with light refraction gives butterflies their colors. The southern birdwing, common Mormon, crimson rose, common rose, blue bottle, tailed jay, blue Mormon, common emigrant, grass yellow, common Jezebel, common evening brown, chocolate pansy, blue tiger, plain tiger, common four-ring and commander are the common butterfly species seen in Kerala villages, cities and towns. Butterflies fly during the day. Low evergreen forest, open degraded forest, riverine vegetation along streams are rich in butterflies. Flowers attract these flying jewels to our residence, courtyards and city gardens. The butterflies seen in Kerala are classified in 5 families, such as Papilionidae, swallowtails, Pieridae, whites and yellows, Nymphalidae, brush-footed butterflies, Lycaenidae, blues, and Hesperidae, skippers. Papilionidae. They are the swallow butterfly family. Most swallowtails are large, brilliantly colored, and extremely beautiful. Butterflies from this family are commonly found in both tropical and temperate habitats. Swallowtails get their name from the tails on the back edge of their wings that reminded people of the forked tails of swallows. Adult swallowtails are strong flyers. The large butterflies in this world are in this family too. They are called birdwing butterflies. Southern birdwing, Garuda Shalabam, which is the largest butterfly of India. Then lime butterfly, Naraga Shalabam. Then Malabar raven, crimson rose known as Chakkara Shalabam. Tailed jay, Viravalan. Blue Mormon, Krishna Shalabam. Common Mormon, Naraga Gali. 5-bar swordtail, Varayan Valvalan. Malabar banded peacock, Buddha Mayuri, which is the state butterfly of Kerala. Last, common blue bottle, Neela Kuduka. So guys, let's have a look at the scientific classification of Malabar banded peacock. Kingdom Animalia and phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Papilionidae, genus Papilio, species Buddha, and the scientific name is Papilio buddha. So the scientific name of Malabar banded swallowtail butterfly is Papilio leomaden. Pieridae. The members in this family of butterflies are commonly known as whites and yellows. They are a large family of butterflies, mostly white, yellow, orange in coloration, often with black spots. These butterflies are predominantly white or yellow on the upper surface of their wings. On the underside, most have bright markings with striking colors. They are mostly medium sized and have an average wingspan ranging from 36 to 75 millimeters. Some butterfly species of Pierridae are mottled emigrant, Tagaramutti, common Jezebel villasini, common grass yellow, Manya papati, crimson tip, Chenjora tunjan, yellow orange tip, Manya chempulli chalabam, white orange tip, Ven chenjiragan, Indian cabbage white, cabbage shalabam, chocolate albatross and plain puffins. And moving on to the next family, Lycaenidae. Butterfly in this family are known as blues, although some species may be known as copper or hair streaks. The top surface of the wings on most of these butterflies is based on blue, although sometimes it may be purple or more rarely red. The upper surface wing coloring of these butterflies is seen during takeoff and as they fly past. Most species have a quick short flight. Many colors may be present on the underside of the wings and is usually viewed when the butterfly is at rest. Some common butterfly species are common pierret, Natu Komali, grass jewel, Ratna Neeli, which is the smallest butterfly of India, pale grass blue, Pull Neeli, leaf blue, Ila Neeli, tiny grass blue, Malayan, silver line blue, which is called Velli Varayan Neeli, slate fash, striped pierret, sunbeams, ape flies, hedge blues, bubble blue, lime blues, pea blue, silver royal, peacock royal, common red flash, yam fly, gram blue, lime blue. These are all comes under this family called Lycaenidae. Nymphalidae. This family of butterflies are usually known as browns. Some species may be commonly known as wanders, crows, nymphs, or glassy wings. Most of these butterflies have a combination of brown on their wings, sometimes with concentric spots. Nymphalidae butterfly species are dark branded bushbrum, Dravidan, nigger, Karupan, plain tiger, Erikutappi, blue tigers, Neela Kaduva, common Indian crow butterfly, Arali Shalabam, Malabar tree nymph, which is the slowest butterfly, Bhupada Shalabam, Maps, common leopard, Puli Tayyan, striped tiger, Varayan Kaduva, evening browns, Karila Shalabam, common sergeant, great egg fly, which is the Vanchotta Shalabam, great pansy as Vayalkoda. Hesperiidae. Hesperiidae butterflies are commonly known as skippers due to their rapid darting flight. They have large, smooth eyes, stout bodies, and widely spaced hook-tipped antennas, and their wings are comparatively small and are often held partly at rest. Butterfly species under this family are orange-tailed earlet, bush hopper, hedge hopper, blank swift, Indian skipper, giant red-eye, tree flitter, common red-eye, large branded swift, golden flitter, and common grass dart.